Hi there, perps. Day 7 of the trip, and I got the day right this time. And it is our last full day in Belize. I'm bittersweet about the situation. I'm happy that I'm going back home, but I'm also sad that I'm going back home because I don't want my vacation to end. But yeah, one more day on that. One more night. Right now, we're going to get something to eat. We don't have anything else, any real big plans. Today is going to be like a chill day. And say good morning, Caroline. Don't be rude. I guess I'll wait, but I'll have to do it for now. So yeah, we're about to head out now. Hi, puppy. Why do you always look so sad? Hey. Hey. Good morning. Hi, buddy. Good morning. Not that good a morning for you? It's okay. We all have those days. I'll see you later, though. Bye. Guess what Tiffany's having? No surprise. Everybody knows. She's always going for that quesadilla. I'm a little disappointed, you guys. I haven't found any sunflower seeds this entire trip. I don't think they sell sunflower seeds in Belize. I should have checked TripAdvisor to see if they sold sunflower seeds in Belize. Why didn't I? Yep, nuts, peanuts, trail mix. Where's the sunflower seeds?
That's something when they do have ginger beer.
We're not gonna find that ginger beer or sunflower seeds on this island. All right, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. They're almost my size. Can you imagine them picking me up, carrying me away? They look smaller on camera, but they are huge in person. Oh gosh, it's that guy again. Oh, it's that same one that was calling Dion a liar. This is the first time we've come to this side of the beach. We always go on that side. What's over there? Is that the private? What is that over there? Is that KoKo? Oh, never mind. You sure? What is that? Yeah, that is. That wasn't that long. That is KoKo. I'm not going crazy. That is KoKo. We could swim there. We're gonna swim there the next time. Hi, friends. Aww. We missed you. Yeah, that's him. Oh no. That doesn't look good. Why does it look so dirty in there?
Which one?
Oh, I don't know.
Just don't go over that side.
Our next ni black and white one small. But then we put the small one in a cage at night. The kite can go out on the street through the back. The stray dog just grab them and broke them.
Guys, this is our last day. We're on our way to the airport, and there's this big depression that's forming. That's like sitting almost on top of us. And I think this is some of the effects of it. We just got caught in the rain. And I'm hoping they don't delay our flight or cancel our flight and we get stuck here in Belize, because that's not going to be fun. The dang thing isn't loading, but I'll see if I can find it on Google. It stopped raining and now it's starting back. And I also can't find my keys. I hope I didn't lose it somewhere here. I'm hoping it's in platinum. I don't remember, because I had to take off the little fluffy thing off the keychain because I wanted to put it on my luggage so they can see, so I can see that it's my luggage and I don't get it confused with somebody else. But they broke it in the process of taking it off of, I think, the ferry. Yeah, but anyways, I took that little piece off and I don't remember if I took the keys and left it in my car or if I lost it somewhere here. But I don't lose stuff and I don't lose keys, so we'll see. So we're saying bye to Caulker.
The right places. Girl, you're driving me crazy. My lady. Sorry for the Monday when I got a skin blanket later on, though. Yeah, take a lick.
So at this airport, and they don't have like real food, like real food, like Wendy's. Well, Wendy's isn't like real food or anything. But I found a place that has a whole bunch of bread. They said this is like a, what do they call it, calzone? So it's like almost like a pizza roll and bread. And I got a meat pie and they call it a beef patty. It's not like our beef patties, like the Jamaican beef patties, but I guess this is what a beef patty would be if it was here in Belize. Because they're all bread and there's meat inside, I'm about to go in. We're on the plane. I'm in my plane gear. You guys gonna see what's going on outside? Not much but rain. Yes, we have to walk in the rain. We climb up that ladder with our heavy luggage to get on here.
It was not no heavy luggage.
My luggage was heavy.
Oh, this is light.
What?
Lightning.
I never said anything about lightning.
That's what I said. I thought you said that.
I said heavy luggage. Alright, so we're almost home. Well, we're not almost home, but we're on our way home.